Good evening, my dear CMA inter students. How is today's management accounting paper? Sir, it is unexpected, sir. No, sir, it is not unexpected. It is a challenging question paper. If you observe past year trends, December 22, June 22, December 23, June 23, June 24. Now, as usual for December 24. The question paper is challenging question paper. Why it is challenging paper? Sir, majority of advanced costing problems are definitely they will ask in management accounting question paper. Nothing new in that. But we have to prepare our own strategies, sir, how to crack this management accounting question paper. Yes, easy way is there to crack this management accounting question paper. What is that easy, sir? Which strategy, sir? 2A, 2B. One is theory question, another is AP costing. Responsibility accounting. Yes or no? Material cost variances. Almost out of 100, 55 marks are manageable questions. 30 marks MCQs and 25 marks questions. 55 marks. And remaining 45 marks, the student who have more IQ levels or the student who practices the questions more times, that student can easily write that extra 40 marks. But this is only the predictable question paper only, it is not unpredictable question paper. It is a challenging question paper, we know that. We keep on remind you from starting of the coaching only. Now management accounting is one of the toughest subject, one of the toughest paper. Now even though today's paper is normal student also they will get easily 40 to 50 marks. Average above average student they will get 55 to 60 marks. Beyond that means rankers will get up to 70 marks, 70 to 75. Now come to here. The first section is MCQs. Now this time MCQ is also little bit as compared to out of 15, 3 to 4 MCQs is little bit tough. If you see the first one, this MCQ is directly from study material, and 2 which is a practical based, it will take more time to solve, and third one, this is a theory based MCQ, fourth one which is the easy one, and fifth one entire in this paper the easiest MCQ is fifth one, and sixth one it will take little bit time. Why? Because here it is a ideal time is also there in this variance, then definitely efficiency variance will affect. Now 7th MCQ which is also from study material MCQ, and 8th which is also from study material MCQ, 9th one of the application based ROI, it will take time to solve, and also majority of the students I think they committed a mistake in this MCQ, and 10th is also study material MCQ, 9th study material MCQ, 12th which is the relevant cost per unit. Generally who are the familiar in decision making by using the marginal costing in that chapter, that student they can easily answer this MCQ. And this one is also easy MCQ only. This study material MCQ, this is also study material MCQ. Now out of 15 MCQs, 4 MCQs will be really, my opinion is 4 MCQs for me it is easy only, but the majority of the students from students point of view, the 4 MCQs will be little bit tough, and remaining 11 they can easily manage. What about sir, if you see descriptive paper, out of 7 you can write we can choose 5 questions, but 2 questions there is a choice is there. Now the 2A, difference between the cost accounting and management accounting, which is the direct question and easiest question, 7 marks. Now come to 2B. Now 2B, there is no trick in this. Now in 2B which is from activity based costing, now you have to find out the number of production runs. Now setup cost and inspection cost you have to apportion based on the production runs. Now this is also directly question which is for 7 marks. At 2A 2B there is no twist in that. If you take third question, now 14 marks. In my point of view, it is better to take choice. If you want to solve this, it will take more than 45 to 1 hour time. Now come to 4A. First, you have to separate the variable and fixed by finding the PV ratio. After finding the PV ratio, you have to prepare the income statement. There is a lot of calculation is involved, and 7 marks. Yes, majority of the students, 50% of the students they can comfortably write, and remaining 50% of the students, I think they will committed the mistakes in this 4A. And come to 4B, PV ratio. This is also little bit tricky, but not that much. Now let us take 14 marks, which is from standard costing, which is unpredictable. But this is a manageable question only. First, you have to prepare the standards for actual output. Here the actual output is given 4800. You have to prepare the standards and remaining fixed overhead variances. Now in marathon session also I covered these fixed overhead variances. How you find out the fixed overhead variances. In this question as well, fixed overhead variance is also there. Now production overheads, which is enter is fixed 9 lakhs per annum and production overhead is 9 lakh 26. Now the first requirement is standard cost per unit. Thereafter analyze the variances, material cost, price, usage, and thereafter labor rate, efficiency, and fixed overhead expenditure efficiency, capacity and cost. 14 marks. How many marks? 14 marks. Yes. If you read this question properly, maybe at least 50% of this question you can write comfortably. Now, okay sir, then come to 6A, which is a direct question from our material and the easiest only. That is nothing wrong in this. Nothing tough part in this. 6A, 7 marks, you can usually write these 7 marks. Now come to your 6B. Now 6B is budgetary control, production budget and purchase budget. The highlight of this problem is here there is a 2 wastages are there, rejection rate and material jet wastage. Now we can also manageable this question only. Some of the tricky part is involved, but if you see the 7A, this model is also not in our study material. I think majority of students they taken this problem as a choice. Then come to 7B. This problem is from learning curve. Now this is a simple one only, nothing that much tough part involved in this question. This is also very simple. First you have to find out the 16 units. Thereafter you have to find out the total for 36. Why? Because it is a repeated order 20 units. Now you have to find out the total time for the 36 units, and thereafter you have to subtract 16 units time so that you will get the 20 units time. This is a most repetitive question type only. Nothing twist in this 7 marks. And come to 8A. This is from decision tree. Easy one only, but majority of the peoples I think they will stuck somewhere in the decision theory. And this 8B, generally the students in responsibility accounting they studied types of cost centers, but in this the advanced level question is given here, the 5 basic control functions. Now this is for 7 marks. Now out of this total, the manageable questions are 2A, 2B, 4A, 6A, 7B, means 5 sevens, 35. Now 35 out of 70, 35 is manageable in nature only, and remaining MCQs it will take 20 plus 35, 55. Now you can easily manageable regarding this 55. In my point of view, the overall summary regarding this today's question paper is, yes, it will be little bit tough only, but not the too much tough, little bit tough. Remaining 7 papers are easy, but management accounting question paper, if you see the past trends, it is always be a challenging question paper only. Have a nice day. All the best.